My name is Asif Bashir, and I am the master distributor of Six Sigma Trade. And Six Sigma is basically an artificial intelligence company which is newly launched. This is a brand new opportunity. This is a very, very new company for all of us. And this company is only 5 month old company, only 5 month old. And this company is based in New Zealand, Wellington. The head office is in Wellington, and this company's basic business was to create the trading robots. Okay, to create the trading robots and to sell them to forex brokers and traders. Okay, so this is the basic business of the company, and company was getting a monthly fee also for that. So people was enjoying the trading of the robots made by Six Sigma Trade, and company was making better and better robots. But few months ago, company have invented or created a new robot which is called AIFA. 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 AIFA stands for Artificial Intelligence Forex Assistant. When company have created that robot, this robot was basically a very, very outstanding robot, and this robot was back tested with all the market conditions. This robot was back tested with so many brokers. This robot was back tested with so many currency pairs, with metals, with oil, and with all the other things. So this robot was making so many good things. That's why uh, company CEO, Sura Bayanka. Okay, Sura Bayanka. She is the visionary lady. She is the CEO of the company, and she have decided to use this robot for network marketing. Okay, she have decided to use this robot for Six Sigma Trade. So how they started Six Sigma Trade? This is a small theme of the company. Okay, so now let's discuss the next things, and welcome to Six Sigma Trade presentation. And then we are having the location, the head office of the company. Okay, what is the head of, where is the head office of the company? There is address in front of us. The address is level 16, Dimension Data House, 157 Lambton Quay, Wellington, 6011, New Zealand. So the head office is in New Zealand in Wellington City. Okay, and the website of the company is www.sixsigmatrade.com. Okay, and this website can provide you all the information of the company, and also you can log into your account, log into your back office through sixsigmatrade.com, and in your back office you can find each and every detail regarding your account, regarding your commissions, regarding your teams, and everything will be there. Okay, and this is the most detailed website I have ever seen. And then now let's meet the visionary lady, the CEO, the chief executive officer, the mastermind of the company. Six Sigma is the brainchild of Miss Sura Bayanka. Okay, and she is a tech savvy goddess, and she is the expert of artificial intelligence since 2009. She have served in so many big companies. Okay, so many big organizations like Baidu, and she is basically very, very passionate, and she is very, very visionary about the future of Six Sigma Trade. Okay, and when we joined this company, we met her. Okay, and we have sit with her one on one, and then we have asked so many questions. We was more than 15 leaders around the globe, and then after our due diligence, after our questions and answers, then we have decided to jump into Six Sigma because we believe in the vision of Six Sigma Trade. So at the 1st March 2020, we came back to our countries and we started working for Six Sigma Trade. So you can imagine that Six Sigma is only 2 to 3 months old in whole Asia and Africa. So this is the best time for all Asian and African networkers to jump in, to hold your top positions, because this is still the leadership is coming right now. Even all of you are the like the master distributor, because you all are coming in the very start of the company. Okay, until now, company is having only 10,000 members around the world, and this company is gonna have uh, uh, 5 million or 10 million or 20 million members. So, guys, you are the part of the first 10,000 members. So, we all are very lucky. Okay, and now there is a message from CEO, because he is having a very big and good vision about the company. So she have told us that she is going to have uh, some contract with some governments regarding the artificial intelligence projects. Okay, and after the lockdown, she is going to have all these contracts. And then the message from the CEO is very important for all of us. So I will read it for all of you, so you can also witness the vision of the CEO. Okay, because he is very much concerned about the members of Six Sigma Trade. So she is saying, if there is one thing I can say to my current and future clients, it's this: Six Sigma will continue to promote and innovate sophisticated artificial intelligence based trading techniques. My team and I are obsessed with helping traders discover boundless financial freedom, supported by decentralized systems that reimagine the way trading is done. The future is digital. It rests on a solid foundation of artificial intelligence, which means traders need support from experts on the pulse of the industry. That's Six Sigma. And I assure you, will never let you down. Guys, the CEO herself is saying, I assure you, will never let you down. Okay, so this is the CEO of Six Sigma, Ms. Sura Bianca. Okay, and she is from Italy. Now, let's discuss about some plus points of the company, some assets of the company. Why we call it the assets? Why we call it the plus points? Because these points are only with Six Sigma Trade. No other company is having anything like that. So the number one thing is there is no activation fee or no hidden charges in Six Sigma Trade. Okay, there is no activation, no documentation, no monthly, no weekly, and there is no computer fee. Okay, if you are buying a package of $100, so it means that you have to pay only $100. You don't need to pay 120. Okay, because some companies are charging 15 to 20% extra. But here in Six Sigma Trade, company is not charging any extra fee. There is no hidden charges and no nasty surprises. And then, first time in the history of network marketing, a company is coming with 9 ways of income. There are two type of network marketing companies in the world. One is the product based companies, and the second one is the ROI based companies. Okay, in the ROI based companies, this is the only company in the world which is coming with 9 ways of income. No other ROI company is offering more than two or three incomes. And then let's discuss about the first ever escrow service in the history of network marketing. Okay, and this escrow service is basically a third party guarantor service which secures each and every distributor, each and every networker of the company. Okay, and this system is amazing. This system is introduced by Six Sigma Trade only. And we are having, definitely every company is having some products, and Six Sigma Trade is having the world's most famous and most benefitable products, like crypto trading and forex trading. Okay, and the company is doing both of these trading, crypto and forex, through their AI based trading system and AI based trading software, which is called IFA. Okay, and that IFA is making profits through doing trade in crypto and forex, and whatever the profits is made by IFA, company is distributing those profits between all of us, all the networkers and the members of the company, and according to the package size, whatever the package we have bought, company is paying us according to that. So this is the basic theme, the summary, the brief introduction of the company. And now, crypto trading. What is the crypto trading and what is the forex trading? These both are a very detailed subject. Okay, and these are the world's top industries. These are the world's top tradings. Okay, I believe that most of you guys you know very well about forex and crypto trading. Okay, and if in case you don't know about this forex and crypto, so I will suggest you to ask about this after the presentation to the person who bring you here, the person who introduced you here. You can ask them after the presentation, because if I start telling you about forex and crypto market, so it will take the whole night, because this is very detailed subject. But I can only tell you that both of these industries are the world's top leading industries right now. Even the forex, you can just understand by this. I'm just giving you a glimpse that forex industry is having the turnover of more than 5.13 trillion dollar per day. Per day, imagine 5.13 trillion dollar per day. Even now, this is more than that. So this is the that kind of biggest industry. Okay, and then let's meet the hero of the company, the trading master. Okay, the sign of success, IFA. IFA is a trading robot. Okay, IFA is a trading software which is attached to the master account of company, master account of Six Sigma, and that trading software, that trading robot is making profits for the company, as I told you before. Okay, basically this is a trading software. Why there is a physical shape? Because uh, people want to see the IFA, and the shape is for to use in international events and seminars. Okay, and this robot is using two major strategies of trading. Number one strategy is scalping and micro trading, and number two is the position trading. Okay, and these both techniques are the most profitable techniques. Okay, if we are having some traders here, they know about these two trading strategies. And now there is some slides, and these slides show us that what is the difference between robot trading and a human trading. Okay, why robots are better than humans? So you can read it later on, that why robots are better than humans. So now we are on the slide of Six Sigma packages, and this slide is very, very important. Okay, uh, I can say that 50% of the presentation is in this slide. So that's why this is very important. I want all of your attention here in this slide. Right now you can see there is 8 packages in front of you. Number one is the basic package, which is $99. So because this is all 99 in the end, so I will make it a round figure for everyone for the ease of understanding. I will call it $100 package. Okay, so the number one package, basic package, is $100. Then we are having builder package, which is $300 package. Super package is $500 package. Executive package is $1,000 package. Executive plus is $4,000 package. Master package is $10,000. Elite package is $20,000, and ambassador package is $50,000. Okay, so these are the 8 packages in front of you. Okay, and every package is having different business points, every package is having different network limit, different daily capping, and definitely every package income percentage is different also. Okay, and every package limitations are different also. So the big rule of the company is that if you are having a bigger package, then you will be enjoying bigger benefits, bigger money, and bigger rewards. And if your package is a smaller package, then you will be enjoying smaller benefits. But the good news is that you can upgrade from a smaller package to a bigger package anytime. Okay, and what you need to pay, you only need to pay the difference amount. Like if you want to upgrade from $1,000 to $4,000 package, from executive to executive plus, then you don't need to pay the $4,000. You only need to pay the difference, means only $3,000 you have to pay, and your package will be upgraded from executive to executive plus, and you will be start earning the executive plus income from the day one. Okay, and all your limitations and all your percentages will be according to executive plus package. So you can upgrade anytime. Okay, so you can choose the package right now according to your affordability, and in the later, if you are earning from Six Sigma or you are having your own money, so you can upgrade your package anytime. And then what is the business points with every package? These business points basically a parameter to calculate your commissions. Okay, these business points are used for the calculation of commission and the rewards. And then we are having the network limit. Network limit is basically the income potential, the maximum income potential for a package. Okay, or the maximum income limit for a package. If your package is like $99, $100 package, basic package, so it means that your network limit is 3x. What is the meaning of 3x? 3x meaning 3 times or 300%. So 3 times of $100 is what? This is $300. Okay. So your network limit is $300 if your package is basic. So the meaning of network limit is that you can maximum earn $300 in the shape of network marketing commissions. Okay, only the network marketing commissions are included in network limit. ROI is not included in network limit. This is separate. Rewards are not included into network limit. This is separate. Only the network marketing commissions. When all this commission will become $300 for you, so then your package will be expire. Okay, and if your package is expire, what does it means? Expiry doesn't mean that your package will be deleted or removed, or you will not have the same position again, or your points will be removed. Nothing like that. Expiry means that your package will be only deactivated. Okay, and you can activate your package again anytime just by paying the $99 again. Okay, so this is very very simple. Okay, and you can reinvest to purchase the same package, and you can also buy the bigger package. Okay, but you cannot buy the smaller package from that package. So this is called the Six Sigma packages network limit. Basic package is having 3x, means 3 times of $100, which is $300. And the builder package network limit is also 3x. It means that $900 is the maximum income potential. Super package is also 3x, so it means that $1,500, $1,500 will be your network limit. And executive package is 3.5x. It means that you can earn $3,500 to touch your network limit. And executive plus is $14,000. This is also 3.5x, so it means that you can earn $14,000. Master package is 4x. The network limit is 4 times, so it means that you can earn almost $40,000. Okay, then your package will be expire, so you can take home $30,000 out of 40,000. $30,000 will go to your home. This will be a pure honey for you, and the remaining $10,000 you have to reinvest to continue your income, to continue your rewards, to continue your team. Okay, and the good thing is that when you are reinvesting the $10,000, company will start your ROI again for the $10,000. Okay, and this $10,000 will give the points to all the uplines. Okay, so when you will upgrade, so all your uplines will get the benefit out of this. So it means that if your uplines are getting benefit of your upgrade, so if your downlines, your teams will be upgrading, okay, so you will be also getting benefit from them again and again, again and again. So this is something very very amazing. Okay, so you can earn commission from the same person for even 10 times from a single person, because if he upgraded his package for 10 times, so you will receive the commission from the same person for 10 times. And one more good thing is that your package is one package, so you are upgraded it one time. But imagine if you are having 10,000 downlines and every downline of you is upgrading only one time, so you will have 10,000 upgrades, and 10,000 upgrades can make you multi-millionaire. Okay, so this is something very very amazing plan. And then elite package is 4.5x, means 4.5 times. And the ambassador package is having 5x, means this package can earn $250,000, and then $200,000 he can take home, and only $50,000 he have to reinvest. So this is the Six Sigma packages. Okay, and now the last thing is daily capping. So this daily capping, it doesn't affect any commission other than binary. So we will discuss this daily capping only on the binary slide, because this is related to binary, not to any other commission. And now we are having the 9 ways of income. Okay, as I told you that Six Sigma is the only company, only ROI based company which is offering us 9 ways of income. So what are those 9 ways? The number one way is ROI income. Number two is direct commission, then binary commission, then royalty commission, then myriad share bonus, then Hall of Fame share bonus, then presenter bonus, then escrow income, and then ranks and rewards. So these are the 9 ways of income. So we will discuss all these 9 ways slide by slide, one by one. So first of all, we will discuss about ROI income. ROI stands for return on investment. So it is showing that this commission is coming on the basis of our investment. Okay, so this is the totally passive income. This is coming on our investment. So we don't need to do any work for that, because our money will be working for us. Whatever the package we buy, that package will be generating a certain amount of dollars every week for us. Okay, every package is having different weekly percentage. As I told you the rule, that if your package is big, then you will be getting bigger percentage. If your package is small, then you will be getting the smaller percentage. So we are having 8 packages. The basic package, the $100 package, is having 2.5% per week. So for 1 week, you will be receiving 2.5% of $100. And until how many weeks you will be receiving that percentage? You will be receiving that percentage for 52 weeks, 52 consecutive weeks. Okay. And the builder package is receiving 3% per week, multiplied by 52 weeks. Super package is receiving 3.25% per week for 52 weeks. Executive package is getting 3.5% per week. Executive plus is getting also 3.5% per week for 52 weeks. Master package is getting 4% per week for 52 weeks. Master package is, 4 multiplied by 52 is 208, means more than double. Okay, 208%. This is more than double. This guy is getting only for his ROI, only for the return on investment. The elite package is 4.5% per week, and the ambassador package is earning 5.5% per week. 5.5% is the biggest percentage. 5.5 multiplied by 52, it will be 286%. Almost 3 times of your investment you are getting in 1 year, okay, without doing any working. So this is the power of Six Sigma trade. And this ROI will start coming after the first 14 days. Okay, the first 14 days are the incubation time. The 15th day of your package will be the first day of your ROI. But once it is started, then it will be coming to you for 52 consecutive weeks. Okay, so this is called the ROI income of Six Sigma trade. And now we are having the direct commission. What is the direct commission? Direct commission is based on your activity. Okay, what is you want to earn anything other than ROI? So then you have to be active. You have to promote the business. You have to tell people about Six Sigma trade. And if on your invitation someone have joined the company, and he buy a package, so you will be receiving direct commission from him. Okay, and what will be the percentage of direct commission? This is the 10% of the amount and 50% of the points. So you are having 2 ways to calculate this. If you want to calculate it through the business point, then this will be 50% of the business point. And if you want to calculate it through the amount, so then it will be 10% of the amount. So for example, if someone buy a package with your referral of $300, so $30 will be your direct commission, because $30 is the 10% of 300. So another guy, he buy a package of $500, so you will be receiving $50 as your direct commission, because 50 is the direct 10% of $500. And then we are having other good news is there, because you can see only two people here in this slide, but you can have more than two people also. Okay, if you are having 10, 20, 50, 100 or 200 people with your direct referral, you can register them, you can invite them. Okay, and you will be receiving 10% of everyone's investment. Okay, so this is, there is no quota, there is no limitation for direct commission. Okay, and once you started inviting the direct people, then you will be receiving direct commission, and with that direct commission there is another commission is also coming to you, which is called the binary commission. Okay, and that binary commission is coming from your referrals and from the referrals of your referrals. Okay, this is a team business. Okay, so in the binary commission, this commission based on power leg and pay leg concept. Okay, so what is the power leg and pay leg concept? You can see there is a position on top which is called U. Okay, so just consider yourself there, and then you can see there are two sides. One is the left side and one is the right side. So in the binary there is always two sides, one left and one right. There is no three sides, it's only two sides. Okay, so in the left side you can see there are three people with total 180 business points, and on the right side there are also three people with 360 total points. So in the right side you have noticed that there is 360 point, and on the left side there is 180 points. So it means that on the right side there is big business, there is more power, there is more points. So that's why the right side, which is with the more points, it will be your power leg, and the left side, which is with the 180 business point, with the lesser points, with the it is basically your weaker side. So in Six Sigma we call it the pay leg. Okay, why we call it the pay leg? Because you are getting paid according to that leg. Okay, on the basis of 180 business point, which is available right now. Okay, so you will be paying on the basis of 180 business point. And how much? Okay, what is the percentage you are getting paid? So it depends on your package. So you again remember the rule: if your package is big, you are getting a bigger percentage. Your package is small, you are getting the smaller percentage. So you are having, if you are having the basic package, then you will be receiving only 40% of 180 business point. So what will be the 40% of 180 business point? This will be $72. Okay, 40% of 180 is 72. So it means that you are receiving $72 out of this 180 business points. And if your package is builder, super, executive or executive plus, then you are receiving 50% of 180. So 50% of 180 is $90. Okay, so you will be receiving $90 instead of $72. If your package is basic, you are receiving $72. But if your package is builder, super, executive or executive plus, then you will be receiving $90 for same points. And if your package is master, then you will be receiving 55%, which is $99 for you. And if your package is elite, then you are receiving 60%, which is the $108 for you. And if your package is ambassador, the largest package, then you will be having the largest percentage, which is the 70%, and you will be receiving how much? You will be receiving 70%, and this will be $126 for you. For the same point, same 180 business point, you are receiving 72 and you are receiving 126. So there is a big difference, and this big difference is only because of your own package. So you have to keep upgrading your package if you want to earn more and more in Six Sigma trade. And as I told you in the start, in the packages slide, that there is something called daily capping. So the daily capping is only applicable on binary. Okay, so the daily capping is the per day income potential, per day, in a single day, how much you can earn from your binary commission. So that is called the daily capping. So the daily capping for basic package, builder, super, executive, executive plus, and master package is 1x. 1x means 1 times of your package amount, okay, equals to your package amount. So if your package is master package, $10,000 package, so if you are earning more than $10,000, like $10,500 in a single day from binary, so you will be receiving $10,000 in your wallet, and the excessive $500 will be flushed off from your package, okay, from your income. So, and that 500 which will be flushed off, that will be for that day only, because from the next day system will be start counting again. So this is per day, daily per day capping, okay. And the lead package is having a bigger capping, okay. This is not 1x, this is 1.5x, means 1.5 times of 20,000, which will become $30,000 per day for you. And the ambassador package is having 2x, means 50,000 multiplied by 2, this will be $100,000 per day. So for ambassador package, the daily capping is $100,000 per day, per single day. So you can earn $100,000. Guys, imagine from binary, $100,000 per day. We are having so many big leaders here, and we have never seen a company which is allowing us to earn $100,000 per day from binary. In my last company, I was there was a maximum limit. There was uh, $10,000 per day. So we was every day flushing off. Okay, and we are the people who know the importance of this big daily capping. Okay, so if we are earning $100,000, we can have this income in our Sigma wallet. Okay, so this is very important. And one more important thing, that if your package is small and someone is coming under you in your binary with a smaller package, with a bigger package, with a greater package than your package, so you will be receiving the points only according to your own package. Okay, so this is the binary commission. And now let's talk about a very new invention, a very innovative commission of Six Sigma trade, which is called the royalty commission. And the royalty commission is amazing commission. Okay, this is amazing. This is the biggest reason for me to join this company, because this commission is not a one time commission like the direct commission or binary commission. This commission is basically a 52 times commission. Okay, how 52 times? Because this commission is coming from the ROI of your team. ROI of your team, and you know this ROI is coming on daily basis for 52 weeks. Okay, so the people who are getting that percentage, they are getting that ROI percentage for 52 weeks. So you will also be getting this royalty commission from their ROI commission. Okay, so you will also be receiving this for 52 weeks. So for example, if you are having some people with your direct referral, so they will become your level 1. And on level 1, company is paying 5%. So 5% of what? 5% of your team's ROI, weekly ROI. So for example, if I am your downline and I buy a package of $50,000 under you on your level 1, so I will be receiving 5.5% ROI per week, which will be $2,750 for me. If I am receiving $2,750 as my ROI, so how much you will be getting out of it? So you will be getting 5% of 2,750, which will be $140 for you. Okay, and I will be receiving that 5.5% for 52 weeks. So you will also be receiving that $140 for 52 weeks. Okay, so 140 multiplied by 52, so you will be receiving more than $7,200 from a single person. From a single person, imagine. Okay, from a single person you are earning more than $7,200. So imagine if you are having 10 or 20 or 50 people like me on your level 1, so how much will be your weekly fixed income? Okay, and the good thing, that company is not only paying from level 1, Company is also paying from level 2, from level 3, from level 4, and from level 4 to level 10. Okay, and from level 1, company is paying 5%. From level 2, company is paying 2%. From level 3, company is paying 1%. From level 4 to level 10, company is paying 0.5% each level. Okay, and it means that company is paying you from your referrals, and from the referrals of your referrals, and from the referrals of your referrals, and then these levels are keeping down, and it is expanding. Okay, and it is expanding up to level 10. And if you want to know the potential and the power of this royalty commission, so you will be shocked to know the potential of this commission. Just few days ago, company have shared a projection with all of us that if your package is only super package, $500 package, and all your team is copying you with $500 package, and if you are having 5 direct downlines and everyone in your team is copying you with 5 direct downlines, so what will be your royalty commission only in 1 year? Okay, so it will be more than $51 million. $51 million from royalty only. Guys, imagine 51 million. So we are having top leadership here. So if we only touch the 50% of that projection, so we will be still earning $26 million. And if we only touch the 10%, so we are still earning $5.1 million. And if we only touch, in the worst case scenario, we are only touching the 1% of that amount, so it will be still more than $500,000 from the royalty commission only in 1 year. So this is the power of this business. Now let's move to the next commission, which is called the Myriad share bonus. Myriad share bonus is coming from the uh, company, coming from the global profit of the company, coming from the global sales of the company. Okay, and this commission is basically based on your pay lag. So whenever you are having 10,000 new business point in your pay lag, you will be having one Myriad share. And if you have 10,000 more point, you will having one more share. So for every 10,000 point, they will be creating one additional share for you. And company is putting 1% of their global profit into the shares every month, and every share is having a value. Okay, and you will be getting paid at the end of the month according to the value of the share plus the number of shares you are having. Like the value of the share is $200 for this month, and you are having 10 shares, so you will be receiving $2,000 as your Myriad share bonus. And now we are having another commission which is called Hall of Fame share bonus. This Hall of Fame share is also coming from the 1% of company's global profits. Okay, and company is putting that 1% global profit into this share, and this company is having 9 ranks. So the last 4 ranks are the part of Hall of Fame. So company is putting that 1% amount into these 4 clubs, the 4 ranks. Okay, and every rank club is having equal share, like 25% of that amount will go to club number 6, 25% will go to club number 7, 25% will go to 8, and 25% will go to 9. So every club will having these shares, and you will be getting paid according to the club you are in. If you are in the club of Rhodium, club number 6, then definitely you will be having so many members in that club, so you will be getting a small share. But if you are in a bigger club like club number 9, so there will be only few members, so you will be getting a bigger share. Okay, so this is called the Hall of Fame share bonus. And then we are having presenter bonus. Presenter bonus is specially designed for the presenters and the trainers of the company. And if you are a good presenter or trainer, and you have someone have joined the company inspired by your presentation, and he joined the company and he put your username into the presenters field, so you will receive 10% of his business point. Okay, and the business point which you receive from him, you can use them in your weaker side, in your pay lag, to maximize your commissions. So this is called the presenter commission. Okay, and now, as I told you in the start, that company have introduced a new system which is called escrow income to ensure and to secure Six Sigma members. Okay, so this is the third party guarantor service by Six Sigma Trade between the networkers. Okay, and you can be part of it. And this is basically a third party service. Company will be responsible for all the promotions running by the networkers. Okay, and this is how you can create the promotion here. And then we are having Six Sigma e-wallet. So the Six Sigma e-wallet is a super wallet, super. How this wallet is why I'm praising this wallet so much, because all your income, all ROI, direct, binary, royalty, Myriad share, Hall of Fame share, rewards, presenter bonus, even the transfers, everything is coming into the single wallet, which is the Six Sigma e-wallet. And when you will be receiving all these incomes in one wallet, so you can withdraw any amount from this wallet anytime, 24 by 7. There is no allocated weekdays or there is no allocated hours. You can withdraw 24 by 7. Okay, and the good thing that you can withdraw any amount. There is no maximum limit. If you are having 100,000 or 500,000 or even $1 million in your Sigma wallet, so you can withdraw in one shot, in one single day. And you can also transfer the amount to other Six Sigma family wallets. Okay, and the charges are 1% to 5%. The maximum are 5% and the minimum charges are 1%. How we can pay 1%, the minimum charges? If your withdraw or your transfer is more than $10,000, then you have to pay only 1% charges. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal amount in Six Sigma is $50, $50 in one shot. Okay, and the payment methods company is using is the most reliable and the decentralized payment methods. Okay, no one is controlling them, no one can play with your income, no one can play with your money. So the number one is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Stellar Coin, Litecoin, and Sigma Wallet. And now let's discuss about the uh, ranks and rewards of the company. So whenever you are having 2000 business point in your pay leg, you know the concept of power leg and pay leg. So whenever you have 2000 business point in your pay leg, you will become the first rank holder of the company, which is bronze. And when you are having 5000 business point in your pay leg, you will become the silver executive of the company. And when you are having 10,000 business point in your pay leg, you will become the gold executive, and company will send you $1,000 in your Sigma wallet to purchase a Apple MacBook Air laptop. This is the first reward you are receiving. And then when you have 50,000 points in your pay leg, you will become the platinum executive of the company, and company will be giving you $3,000 for a foreign trip for two people. And whenever you are having 200,000 point in your pay leg, you will become the palladium executive of the company, and company will be giving you $10,000 for a Chevrolet Trax car. So whenever you are having 800,000 point in your pay leg, you will become the rhodium executive of the company, and company will be giving you $30,000 for a Nissan X-Trail SV. So whenever you are having 2 million points in your pay leg, you will become the plutonium executive, and company will be giving you $70,000 for a Toyota Land Cruiser GXR. So whenever you are having 4 million points in your pay leg, company will make you the finite executive of the company, and company will give you $300,000 for a sports car like Porsche 911 GT3. And whenever you are having 10 million business point in your pay leg, you will become the tritium executive of the company, and company will be giving you $1 million for a penthouse anywhere in the world. So this is the presentation of the company, and as I told you in the start that this is the best time to join the company, because this is only 2 months in whole Asia and Africa, and we are still in the start. So this is the best time to join and to start our teams. Okay, and here is some leaders from Russian and Siberian region, and company was having so many events which is cancelled because of the lockdown. But after the lockdown, we are having the chain of the events, and inshallah, we all meet in the events with the management of the company, with the CEO of the company. So you will be the witness